Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a super healthy baked crackers made with Bajra flour, also known as pearl millet. Bajra is a highly nutritious millet, and this baked Bajra crackers or crisps can be enjoyed as a healthy snack, ideal for those with health issues like diabetes, PCOS, or for those who simply wants to eat healthy in their weight loss journey. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make Bajra crackers, into my chutney grinder, I am adding in half teaspoon whole black peppercorns, 1 green chilli which I am breaking into 2 and adding in, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 sprigs of fresh curry leaves for some extra iron and folate, 1/4 inch ginger which I am just roughly chopping and adding in, a small handful of coriander leaves. Add in 1/4 cup water and blend this all really well. Once ground, keep this aside. Into another bowl, I am adding in 1 cup of Bajra flour. Bajra is also known as pearl millet. It's a highly nutritious millet, and recent studies have shown that Bajra has anti-cancer and anti-tumor properties. So do try to include Bajra in your diet, especially when they are in season. Into this I am adding in 2 tablespoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice. Remember that healthy fats like wood pressed oils helps to assimilate fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. So do not skip using a good source of healthy fat. And to this I am adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed, and I am going to give this a nice mix. Mix it really well so that the wood pressed oil is incorporated into the flour. And once nicely mixed, it should have a coarse sand-like texture. Add in the ground ingredients. Into this I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content. I have also used some black pepper powder for better assimilation of turmeric. 1/3 teaspoon ajwain. I am lightly crushing the ajwain and adding in so that the flavors are released. 1/3 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon homemade asafoetida powder, also known as hing. I have already shared how to make asafoetida powder at home. Please do check it out. 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. 1/3 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. If you are not a spicy person, you can totally omit the Kashmiri chilli powder. 1 tablespoon til or sesame seeds, and give this all a nice mix. Mix and knead this into a soft dough. Once kneaded into a soft dough, allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. The dough has been resting for 30 minutes now. So I'm going to knead it a couple of times. I have lined my baking tray with parchment paper. I am dividing the dough into small equal sized portions, and I am rolling it really well, and I am placing it on the parchment paper. I have added some wood pressed oil into a small plate, and I am using a small steel glass. You can use a katori or anything which has a flat bottom. I am coating the bottom of the steel glass with the wood pressed groundnut oil, and I am pressing down the dough with the glass. And before pressing down each dough, you make sure that you grease the bottom of the glass with the wood pressed groundnut oil. Before pressing on each dough, make sure you grease the bottom of the glass with the wood pressed oil so that it does not stick to the dough. I am moving it closer. Remember, this will not spread out when it is being baked. So you can place it closer and place as much as it fits the tray. And flatten the rest of the dough as well. So I got a total of 18 bajra crackers. Next, I'm going to prick this with a fork. If you don't prick it with a fork, it will puff up. So we don't want our crackers to puff up. I'm making a small indentation on the sides with the fork. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until the sides are light golden brown and is crisp and nicely baked. Oven temperature varies with oven, so please do keep an eye on it. In between baking, you need to flip each crackers over and bake it for the rest of the time. Okay, now the crackers are nicely baked. So I'm going to allow it to cool down. You can see that the sides are lightly browned. It took 18 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius for me to get this baked. Remember that oven temperature varies with oven. So do keep an eye on it while it is baking. And once the sides are lightly browned and golden, you can remove it from the oven. I'm going to allow it to cool down on the pan itself and then I'll transfer to a plate. And once cooled down, you can see how crispy and crunchy this is. Perfectly baked. Transfer the bajra crackers onto a plate. You can enjoy these bajra crackers as a healthy snack. These healthy bajra crackers will stay good at room temperature if kept in an airtight glass container for up to a month. Let me just show you how crisp these bajra crackers are. Super crispy and healthy bajra crackers. So guys, do try this healthy bajra crackers and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.